Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by validating prerequisites. Game version, required DLC, and reachable biome. This prevents wasted effort. Next, place the trap in tall shadow zones where Shadow Walker spawns. Position matters, so use cover and approach from downwind. Once done, bait with Luminous Seed, then Nightberry to trigger curiosity and Stealth Crumb to lower aggression. You want it intrigued and calm. Make sure to equip a decoy to divert patrol predators, because capturing is more about control than raw damage. You now focus on forcing the spawn event and keeping the Chomik engaged. Begin the lure cycle, toss 2 luminous seeds at 12-15-second intervals, then introduce a Nightberry when it slows. This shifts its AI into curious state. Once it approaches, deploy the decoy 4-6 meters to pull nearby threats away. This keeps your capture window clean. Also, cast 1/2 stealth buff on yourself to reduce detection and dim lights. Controlling sensory input prevents the Shadow Walker from fleeing or becoming hostile. You finish by executing the capture. When the Shadow Walker steps into the trap, immediately use the tranquilizer, standard 15 mg dose unless environmental modifiers demand less, to ensure it remains calm during pickup. Once sedated, secure it quickly to avoid midnight predators. If it escapes, don't panic. Reset by removing traps, wait 60 seconds, move 8-12 meters to break spawn memory, then repeat the lure cycle. Troubleshooting tip: if it repeatedly ignores bait, change bait combination.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.